Radhe, dear devotees, May 27th is that divine and rare Deka day of Padma Ekadashi, which comes only once a year. It is said that the virtue that is difficult to obtain even through thousands of fasts and donations can be attained by truly worshipping Lord Vishnu on this Ekadashi Evidiano. But wait, today I am going to tell you a secret and miraculous remedy that, if performed with devotion and faith, can shower the blessings of Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi upon your home. Devotees, this was done on May 27th, the day of Padmini Ekad, with just one tulsi leaf, with just one. This small remedy is believed to alleviate even the biggest problems in life. But keep in mind, this is no ordinary leaf. Tulsi is revered like a mother in Sanat Dharma. Wherever Tulsi is found, Lord Vishnu is believed to reside there. It is said that in a home where Tulsi is worshipped, positive energy gradually increases. Negativity begins to dissipate, and an atmosphere of happiness and peace begins to prevail. Devotees, listen carefully now. On the morning of Padmini Ekadashi, wake up before sunrise, bathe and wear clean and holy clothes. Then, while remembering Lord Vishnu, approach Tulsi Mata. But devotees, before plucking a Tulsi leaf, remember this. Request, Tulsi Mata, oh Tulsi Mata, I am taking one of your leaves for the worship of Lord Vishnu. Please forgive me and maintain happiness in my home. Devotees, it is said that the prayers of those who take a Tulsi leaf with humility and devotion reach God quickly, locally. Now, take a Tulsi leaf, light a ghee lamp in front of Lord Vir, and draw a small swastika on the leaf with turmeric. Yes, devotees, this is the secret remedy. After this, offer the Tulsi leaf at the feet of Lord Vishnu and chant this mantra with a true heart oath, Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Oya Nama. Devotees, it is said that the sound of this mantra increases positive energy in the atmosphere and gradually calms the mind. But devotees, the most important part of this remedy is yet to come. When you offer the Tulsi leaf to Lord Vishnu, be sure to mentally express your wish. If there are financial problems at home, pray for wealth. If your mind is restless, pray for peace. If there's tension in the family, pray for love and unity, worship. Devotees, scriptures say there that prayers offered with a true heart on Padmini Ekadashi are never in vain, as this day is considered a day to receive special blessings from Lord Vishnu. Devotees, now listen carefully to another important thing. Many people pluck Tulsi leaves but do not follow the prescribed rituals, thus diminishing the effectiveness of the remedy. Therefore, remember never to pluck Tulsi leaves in anger or haste. Do not pluck Tulsi leaves at night and avoid touching Tulsi without bathing. Devotion yields its full fruit only when there is faith and discipline. If possible, offer yellow flowers to Lord Vishnu on the day, as yellow is considered very dear to Lord Vishnu. A second always. And yes, devotees, be sure to light a lamp near Tulsi better in the evening, as a lamp lit near Tulsi is believed to dispel negativity from the home. It is said that where there is Tulsi Mata and the light of a lamp, poverty gradually begins to disappear. Devotees, there are frequent fights in your home, your mind is restless, or you are not achieving success in any work or other, then this remedy on Padmini Ekadashi is considered extremely beneficial. But devotees, make no mistake, never use this remedy out of or selfishness, because God sees only through devotion. If the mind is pure, the feelings are true, and the devotion is sincere, Even a small tulsi leaf is considered to have miraculous effect. Devotees, listen carefully before going to sleep at night. Remember Lord Vishnu and place a tulsi leaf on your pillow. It is said that doing so maintains positive energy in the mind. This, along with fear and negative thoughts, gradually diminishes. Devotees, Padmini Ekadashi is not just a day of fasting, but also an opportunity to purify the soul. The more you chant the name of God on this day, the more calm and pure the mind becomes. So devotees, on the day of Padmini Ekadasi, this ritual was performed with a tulsi leaf. Though perform this divine remedy with devotion and receive Lord Vishnu's blessings. Write with a true heart in the comments. Jai Tulsi Mata, devotees, this sacred night of Padmini Arashi is gradually filling the entire atmosphere with devotion through its divine influence. It is said that simply chanting the name of Lord Vishnu on this night gradually absolves ourselves a portion of the sins of many lifetimes. And if one sits before Tulsi Mata and prays with a true heart on this night, the restlessness of the mind also begins to dissipate. Devotee ni listen carefully because if you are constantly facing obstacles in your life, if there is a lack of money at home, or if you are not achieving in such despite hard work, then definitely perform this remedy on the night of Padmini Ekadashi. At night, light a gillan with sakata and sit well in front of it there. Then, while remembering Lord Vishnu, take a tulsi leaf in your hand and draw a small swastika with the turmeric on it. Devotees, the swastika is considered a symbol of auspiciousness and good fortune in Sanatan Dharma. Wherever there is a swastika, positive energy is believed to enter. Now hold the tulsi leaf in both your hands, close your eyes and recite this prayer. Oh Lord Hari, remove all the sorrows and obstacles from my life. Keep my home filled with happiness, peace and prosperity. Devotees, it is said that when a person expresses their sincere prayers to God, their prayers never go in vain. However, devotees, please keep one more important thing in mind. When performing this ritual, stay away from mobile phones, anger, negative thoughts, and useless talk, because devotion only shows effect when the mind is completely focused on God. Devotees, if possible, should sit before Lord Vishnu on this day and chant the mantra Na Bhagavate Vasudevaya Ekka. This mantra is considered to calm the mind and or create a positive atmosphere. It is said that wherever the name of God resonates, fear and negativity gradually disappear. Devotees, now listen to another important thing. Many people ask why the tulsi leaf is considered so important. It is said in the scriptures that Tulsi Mata is very dear to Lord Vishnu. And the worship of Lord Vishnu is considered incomplete without Tulsi. Therefore, on Padmini Ekadashi, even this small ritual performed with Tulsi leaves is considered auspicious. Devotees, if there has been prolonged tension in your home, every member of the family should chant the name of Lord Vishnu on this day. Because where the Lord's name is mentioned, the mind gradually calms down and the atmosphere of the home also begins to change. And yes, still, on Padmini Ekadashi, be sure to feed a hungry person. You must also recite the mantra or donate according to your capacity because service and charity are considered to complete devotion. Devotees, before going to sleep at night, must bow to Tulsi Mata and Lord Vishnu and say, Oh Lord, always bless my home. Keep my family happy. It is said that prayers uttered from a true heart reach God directly. Devotees, the most important and mysterious thing remains to be seen. I will tell you what to do. We tell us leaves the next morning of bad. Poesi, in which single mistake can diminish your virtue. I will also share a simple ritual that can help maintain positive energy in your home for a long time. Devotees, this divine night of Padmini Ekadashi has now entered its most sacred phase. It is said that remembering Lord Vishnu during this time is believed to bring miraculous positive changes in a person's life. Now listen carefully, devotees, because what follows is something that very few people know. Many people use the Tulsi leaf remedy on Padmini Ekadashi, but the next day they make a small mistake which gradually diminishes its effectiveness. Therefore, listen carefully to the end of the ritual. Devotees, do not disrespectfully throw away the Tulsi leaf you offered to Lord Vishnu the next morning. Tulsi Mara is considered extremely sacred in Sanatana Dharma. What should you do? Listen carefully. After bathing in the morning, offer you Lord Vishnu and Tulsi Mira. Then pick up the Tulsi leaf with reverence. If the Tulsi leaf is completely dry, you can sidon plavran running water or place it at the root of a sacred plant. If the Tulsi leaf is fresh, you can consider it as God's prasad and consume it yourself. Devotees say that accepting Tulsi leaves as prasad is believed to provide positive energy to both mind and... But devotees, there is one more special rule. Never place Tulsi leaves near your feet or leave them in a dirty place. God's blessings reside where there is devotion. Devotees, listen carefully to a very divine remedy. If you are facing repeated financial shortages in your home, or if money does not last even after earning, then on the next day of Padmini Ekadashi, light a small ghee lamp in front of Lord Vishnu in your home temple. Then circumambulate Tulsi Mata 3 times, saying Got Namo Narayanaya Nama with each circumambulation. Devotees, this simple ritual is said to maintain positive energy in the home, and where positivity prevails, happiness and peace gradually begin to prevail. Now listen carefully, devotees. Padmini Ekadashi isn't just a day for fasting. It's also considered an opportunity to transform one's mind. If a person resolves to reduce anger, jealousy, hatred, and ego on this day, their life gradually begins to change. Because devotees, God doesn't just see worship, He also sees the heart's emotions. If someone has compassion, service, and true devotion, even their smallest prayer reaches God. And yes, devotee, try to keep God's hymns playing in the home on this day, because where there is an atmosphere of devotion, negativity cannot survive. If possible, listen to Lord Vishnu's arti before going to bed at night, and sit in front of Tulsi Mata. Then, with a calm mind, express your wishes and have faith in God. Devotees, it is said that when a person remembers Gatliki Marasar with complete devotion, their fear gradually diminishes and their self-confidence increases. This is considered the greatest power of devotion. But devotees, the last and most important thing remains. Because next I will tell you which one action after Padmini Ekadashi is considered auspicious for the entire year, and why even sitting near Tulsi Mata for just 2 minutes every day is considered life-changing. I will also tell you about that one habit that gradually begins to drain the positive energy of the home.